I only buy the finest tea leaves. Zesta. See BOPF.
If BOPF is indicated on the pack.
Zesta, the art of tea.
Well, now getting back to more of our local stories, several views were expressed in Parliament today regarding the controversy surrounding imported milk powder.
The Industrial Technology Institute, which falls under the purview of the Science and Technology Ministry, issued statements stating that the imported milk powder contained DCD. Based on the report, several government ministers and other organizations stated that the imported milk contained harmful chemical substances. However, the Ministry of Health, issuing a communique, noted that the Health Ministry sent the relevant milk powder samples to a laboratory in Thailand, which proved that the milk samples were free of any traces of DCD. Initially, that was the stand of the Health Ministry. However, in 2 to 3 days, the Ministry completely changed their stand and said that not only did the milk powder samples imported from New Zealand contain DCD, but the advertising and the sale of the milk powder was also banned. On the 26th of August, once again, the ITI and the MRI conducted tests and verified that 12 samples of imported milk powder did not contain DCD or the bacteria. The following day, the Science and Technology Ministry said that whether DCD was detrimental to the health is yet to be proved. The government ministers and respective officials have acted in an irresponsible manner when dealing with the lives of the people, and especially children, at times stating that the milk contains DCD and then changing their stand. The general public have been dragged from the frying pan to the fire, and the government, through irresponsible statements and actions taken by the government, which at times said these contained contaminants and at times said there was no problem, and even went so far as to prohibit these products. When it comes to most issues facing the public, the government acts with the same irresponsibility.